That's great.
Akazumirwaro yabinakora kabereka mpaka tumshendezeleza. I will translate and I'll be brief for those who do not understand our mother language. Ningashabarga Kamparavandi, Kant and Kent. The body you see right in front of us belongs to Rachel Nasasira. She was born in 1992 and raised in this family. Later, when she started her education career, she attended Shimon Primary School and a past secondary school, for those who know, in Zambia, where she acquired both certificates, that is of primary and secondary. Then later, Then later she joined an Institute of Art and Management in Rubaga, where she acquired a certificate in entertainment marketing, a profession that she has been carrying on till she severely got ill. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Rachel has been suffering from for these past few years. It's a complication of the body called autoimmune. The immune system, which is generally the fight of the body to destroy attacks from any other diseases, the ability to fight back is reduced. Now, the doctor mentioned that actually you are born with it at the time of your birth. But as you grow, the white blood cells keep fighting your own body. So you are actually fighting against yourself. Now what happens is, any disease that attacks you, you cannot fight it back. Even if they give you the medicine, you will not be able. Now, they tested Rachel for all sorts of ailments possible. All, including whatever you can mention, HIV, tuberculosis, and all these others. They did not find any problem with her. And there was nothing we can do. So, we kept on treating the symptoms, like bed sores, like coughing, until the time when the body completely failed, and Rachel left us yesterday but 1 in the morning hours. Now,
we take this opportunity to welcome you. Things have happened, and such is life.
Praise God.
Amen.
My name is Nalongo, joined Anakanja Kumboa. I'm Bruno's elder sister. Bruno follows me, and then this is the youngest of us. We bring sincere condolences from our family, especially our parents. Our father was supposed to be here when we were earlier informed that the burial would be yesterday. But when it was postponed today, he could not make it because he had a prior commitment for today. But he sends his condolences and promises to come and condole with the family whenever he can. Our mother unfortunately suffered a stroke, so she could not make a long journey here. I would like to, first of all, thank you, the family of Rachel, for being with her when she needed you the most. First, for raising her and loving her. For the few times I met Rachel, she spoke highly of her family. So thank you very much for all the love and care. I know she did not feel abandoned. So thank you and may God bless you. We met Rachel because she was friends with our brother, and the product of that friendship is that beautiful young girl there. What ail me? As a mother myself, no child should grow up without a mother, especially at this age. It's going to be tough, but we know you're going to be with us, and Brielle will grow up a happy child. It cannot be the same without her mother, but we know that we'll try and manage. A lot is going on social media. Those who know the truth know it. When Bruno needed to step up, he did what he could have done. So whatever did not go right, we ask that we be forgiven. And we promise that we'll keep in touch and help raise this young girl. Thank you very much. And may Rachel rest in peace.
Hazogweriro kure vitu nosinga konka ai mukama ruhango kwera munonga ai mukama obushobora kubona ai mukama witu orkera owemba basinzi etatayo omukufa ahabo buruzi bweberebero mukama witu romanye mbonere y'emitima yetu otita matugawe agemba bazi okanga kurukisha bakwitu kure kotsasire mukama orkwera munonga ruhanga obushobora kubona omushuni orkwera kandi wembabazi omutuwe manzo kire otatwihayo omutuwe manza okire kandi otabaho otatwikiriza kurugaho ombona kubupfa ahabo buhuruzi bwa rufu
Ebishua byasitane
no mangani bomubantu sibiri basakulika omugejo siyaruhanga itetena tuya teranira hamwe pena yamomugera abarikwera kwino kushemererwa kwinji abayishirire bona nibo bonkabarizayo teshenjereze mukama atushemeze tubekabo itetena turya teranira hamwe ena azogo mugera abarikwera tino kushemererwa kwinji Yana
kitalo nnyo kitalo ddala kikangabwa kya ntiisa muganda waffe mwannyinaffe baaba waffe mukazi waffe kyonna kiti kyomulabiramu Rachel kitalo nnyo era kitalo ddala nange olwaleero Rachel ono aziikiddwa ku bijja by'abajjajjaabe wali mu disitulikiti y'Entungamo ku kyalo Nyamunyuka mu Ntungamo district. So muganda waffe ono abatamumanyi ye maama w'omwana wa Brunoke. Maama w'omwana wa Brunoke ono aludde ebbanga ng'ekirwadde kimubala embiriizi era famire neekola kyonna ekisoboka okubeera nga bataasa obulamu bw'omwana waabwe naye nga buli kimu Katonda n'agera ne kigaana. Bagezezzaako okumutambuza mu malwaliro ag'enjawulo g'omanyi wano mu Uganda. Buli ddwaliro ly'omanyi ery'amaanyi baligezezzaako. Twali ekyokulabirako nga Case Clinic bagendayo, babadde ku IHK ne bagendayo. Buli ddwaliro ly'omanyi wano paka we batuuka okuddayo ne bagenda ne baddayo ku ddwaliro ery'Erukungiri erimu ku ddwaliro eddene ne bagamba buli kimu. So bagezezzaako okujjanjaba naye Katonda n'agera bw'atyo. So bingi ebibadde bitambula ku social media era bingi ebikyatambula naye mu kuziika taata ayogeddeko, baganda b'omukyala nabo ne boogerako. Brunoke abaddeyo mu kuziika, ne Breda abaddeyo mu kuziika, naye ngezezzaako okulaba nga nkubira ku ankowe essimu omwami agenda otubuulira amanya ge gye mmanyi kuba nze mmanyi Mark, tumuyita Mark, anko wa Rachel. Twogereko ne anko wa Rachel. Anko wa Rachel atangaza eggwanga ku bigenda mu maaso. Hello? Nsaba okugamba nti nga kitalo nnyo muganda wange ekya muwalawo.
It's okay. Twamaze, but Katonda bw'ati bwe yayagadde.
Mbadde nsaba we introducing Gwani era Gwani ku Rachel.
Okay, Mark Moses Mugume.
Gwani?
Mark Moses Mugume. Yes.
Mm.
An uncle to Rachel.
Oli uncle wa Rachel?
Yes.
Omugenzi.
Yes, the late.
Mm.
And she calls me. She calls me a favorite uncle.
Okay.
She was calling me. Yes.
Maka muzalibwa wa?
Ntungamo district.
Brunoke omumanyiye?
Yeah, I know Brunoke. I knew him even before they dated with Rachel. Yeah.
So Brunoke abadde ani ku family yammwe?
A friend. He was close to me. He's still close to me. I talked to him. I cancelled both of them at some point. Yeah.
Kakati waliwo ekigambibwa nti Brunoke abadde talabirira muwalawo. Ekintu ekyo kiri kitya?
It's wrong. Totally wrong. Because I have been there, I've been in touch with him. Buli kimu kyonna kibadde nga buli step egenda maaso nga mu-updatinga. Sometimes when we are busy and he's the only person who the brother can reach out to nga akola ki nga sometimes amusindikira ne ssente ng'asooka nakunkubira kati badde sino ssente bulungi zigenda musindikira only this much. But when it's okay, just because we are not around at the moment, but just because of like it had taken some time. So sometimes already everybody will do so nange nga time most of the time people travel under sente. So when I'm more, not just go under the care of the brother, I would sometimes the brother and Bruno, and Bruno would immediately respond. So when I live in Gamba, no, it cannot be like this. Yeah, absolutely.
Rechi abadde mu ddwaliro ki? Maka, Rechi abadde malwaliro ki?
Manji, we went international hospital. Like, wabadde prescribing the chintu oba tumutwale mu kifo bwekiti ng'amutwala. You get it depends on the physician. Because we've been to Case Hospital, we have been to Kampala International Hospital, we have been to a hospital, yes, in Rukunjiri, where she wanted to stay away from Kampala, so she stayed in our village in Intungamo.
Okay.
So when she got sick, we called her doctor in Kampala. Dr. Nagamba, Neda, Mutumutwale, Mudwale, Yenya Kivale in Rukunjiri, then I agree the doctor, but and the Kirao. That time she was saying this side.
Mark, ebigambibwa nti Bruno yasuulawo muwalawo n'adduka abadde tamulabirira era yamwegaana n'agamba mbu ye ali singo. Kiri kiti ekintu ekyo?
Ebyo sibimanyi. Sibimanyi. Them, like any other relationship, if they fell apart, they should have fallen apart more in good faith, probably.
Yeah.
Never tigalanga boogera. But that inner patterns, they just simanya, they just say that simanya nyo. But the truth was, their separation was no more. I think yali no more because they stayed talking. Even personally, I think I don't have any issue at all with them. Like any other relationship with it and a church guy. It was in peace.
Mbo Bruno era badde tamulambula ku kitanda.
Because namutwala yasoka kujawaka ekololo natusaba yekenyini Bruno bayagala kulaba kweya Rachel E. By then nga nakamucha mukyalo nenkola ki nemumutwalira bweya Rachel wa. By then she was doing hospital and home. Like, because then we reached the point Dr. Nagamba Tumuzunza, whenever she needs something we call, the doctor will come. We pay a lot of money there because the doctor Nagamba Tumuzunza
Kati
Dr. Jana Musangayo.
Nekirala Maka nti abadde tamulagangako mu kamera so abantu ne bagamba nti yali yamwegaana. Kiri kitya?
Rachel yekenyini yalitayagala bintu bya kumuteekako media at all. Yali tayagala nange ekyo yakinnegambira. Like my prayer is Bruno never to post me anywhere. Ekyo yakyogera those days even gatanazaala nokuzaala nagamba sagala be in the limelight. Actually yalitayagala even gagamba n'omwana sagala beere mu limelight. That matter ekyayogeranga. But Bruno could come netumuwa omwana namutwala namukomyawo namukomyawo ngamukoledde shopping ngakoze like things were good because it's me who she was under my care.
Kubanga nga tumaliriza waliwo n'ekigambibwa nti Bruno teyategeerako nti n'omwana ono talina na kifaananyi ky'omwana ono nga baakamuzaala. Bruno akutte ku mwana oyo nga n'amugjayo ng'omwana ono akuze mutabaddewo nga wansi wali ng'omwana akula.
At least the time of Rachel yazalira Bruno teyaliwo because I talked to him. He was in Kabale. Either Kabale or Kigali, but that direction I remember. So next follow good duty.
Okay.
Was not to get there because money.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kale Maka tweyanza nnyo tweyanze naye ng'ewatuufu weewaawe babazaala Lukungiri abamu bagamba ti Lukungiri abalala bagamba Ntungamo.
It's in Ntungamo district but you take the Rukunjiri road.
Yeah.
So we are still under Ntungamo district. So when you cross about 10 kilometers from our home, you start now Rukunjiri. Yeah.
Kale bambi.
But you can always call me. I'm okay because now I'm in the car moving. You can always call me and ask me anything.
Kale, when are you coming to Kampala?
I'm coming back on Monday.
Kale, maybe most probably I can get you on Monday.
No worries.
Kale, thank you so much, Mark.
Kale, you're welcome.